Tagalog slang words. LODI. Reverse of idol. LODI talaga kita. You are my idol. PETMALU. Reverse of malupit means cool or extraordinary. PETMALU yung sayaw mo, LODI. Your dance is cool, idol. MUMSHIE. Slang of mommy. Tara, MUMSHIE, nood tayo ng sine. Let's go, mommy. Let's watch movie. WERPA. Reverse word of power means magaling. Ginuhit mo ba yan? WERPA. Did you draw it? Power. PRANING. Crazy. Napapraning ka na naman, hindi ka niya gusto. You're crazy again. She doesn't like you. TARATITAT. Talkative. Taratitat ka talaga, ang ingay mo. You're really talkative. You're so noisy. CHAR. CHAROT. Just kidding or joking. Libre kita, nanalo ako sa loto. CHAROT. I'll treat you, I won the lottery. Joke. Bulilyaso. Naudlot or failed. Hindi na siya makakarating, nabulilyaso yung plano. She will not come anymore. The plan failed. Chikot. Reverse of kotse means car. Kailan tayo aalis? Dadalhin ko ba ang chikot? When are we leaving? Should I bring the car? Chibog. Eat or mealtime. Tara, chibog tayo. Gutom na ako eh. Let's go eat. I'm really hungry. Chika, chikahan. Gossip, chit-chat. Kamusta ang chikahan ninyong magkaibigan? How was the chit-chat with your friend? ALBOR. Borrow but wants to own. Sa'yo ba to? Ang ganda. Pwedeng ALBOR? Is this yours? It's pretty. Can I borrow? JOWA. Partner. Nakita ko ang jowa mo kahapon. May kasamang iba. I saw your partner yesterday. She is with someone. Dedo. Tigok. Dead. Hindi ko na siya matatawagan. Tigok na ang baterya ko. I cannot call him, her. My battery is already dead. Dehins. Hindi or not. Ano bang sinasabi mo? Dehins ko maintindihan. What are you saying? I don't understand. WAFU. Guwapo or handsome? Ang WAFU naman ng kaibigan mo, pwede ko ba siyang makilala? Your friend is so handsome. Can I meet him? Kulasise. Mistress. Nakita ko yung kulasisi ng mister mo sa may liwasan. I saw your husband's mistress at the park. MUMU. Ghost. Para kang nakakita ng mumu, ang putla mo. It seems you saw a ghost. You look pale. SWABE. Smooth moves. Niyaya niya akong lumabas. Ang swabe lang. She asked me to go out. It's kind of smooth moves. Have. Express approval. Tawa ako ng tawa sa jokes niya. Have. I keep on laughing on his jokes. Very nice. Waley. Wala. Walay naman ang mga jokes mo, hindi nakakatawa. Your jokes are nothing. It is not funny. RAPSA. Yummy. Nakaubos ako ng 3 pirasong pizza. RAPSA? I ate 3 pieces of pizza. Yummy. Syonga. Stupid. Idiot. Bakit ka naka-uniforme? Walang pasok ngayon, syonga. Why are you wearing uniform? There's no classes today. Stupid. Matsala. Thank you. Matsala, ang rapsa ng sopas. Thank you. The soup is so delicious. Ermat, erpat. Mother, father. Galit na naman si Ermat sa akin. My mother is so upset with me. Anda. Money. May anda ako ngayon, kinita ko sa pagsusulat. I have money today. I earned it from writing. KERI. Can do. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. KERI mo yan. Don't be afraid to dance. You can do it. Mars. Friends. Mars, nasaan ka na? Nandito na ako sa pinag-usapan natin na lugar. Friend, where are you? I'm here in our meeting place. Ngek. Yikes. Ngek, anong nangyari sa mukha mo? Bakit namamaga? Yikes. What happened to your face? Why swollen? Ano ba? What the? Ano ba? Wala bang matinong kausap dito? What the? Anybody here sensible enough to talk? Anyare? What happened? Anyari sa'yo? Bakit ang tagal mo? What happened to you? Why it took you so long? Beshi. Friend. Beshi, may lakad ka ba bukas? Samahan mo naman ako. Friend, do you have errands tomorrow? Come along with me. Yung ano? That thing. Nakita mo na yung ano? Yung pitaka ko? Did you see it? That thing? My wallet?